Hey guys, this is Taylor from Truck World RVA. I have here a 2007 Ford F350, 114,000 miles, 6.0 diesel, two-wheel drive. It's a 350 dual wheel, work truck, Knapheide 9-foot body. Got bolt bins on the top. And I'm just going to show you some damage here on the door, as well as right here on the roof, hood I mean. Truck runs and drives great. Currently doesn't have any issues on it. Came out of North Carolina, so it's pretty well rust free. I'll pop up underneath in a minute here and just show you the undercarriage. Like I said, it's got just over 114,000 miles on it. 6.0 diesel. Body's in pretty decent shape. Got a couple areas of just paint flaking. Pretty normal for the age. I would say normal wear and tear for the age it's on the truck. If you need any close-up or any other videos, give me a shout. 804-716-8487. Yeah, we just had the whole thing bedlined, so you got fresh bed liner in there. Nice heavy-duty steel tubing racks up on top. Got a tow package down there. Coming around to the driver's side here. Tons of storage on this thing. Again, if you want to see anything else up close, have any questions, this is just dirt down here, feel free to give me a call. Shoot me a text. It's 804-716-8487. A little bit more wear on this side of the body. Again, nothing major, just some stuff to notate there. Get up underneath of it for a second here. Nice and clean up underneath. Cab of the truck's in pretty good shape. We do have a small tear on the driver's side seat cushion here. Other than that, pretty clean all the way around. Start it up here for you. Built-in trailer brake controller. Take a look under the hood. Pretty good tread all the way around on the tires. Good little miles on it. A couple cosmetic things here and there to note, but runs and drives good and make a good work truck for somebody. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, call or text 804-716-8487.